Hi dear friends, welcome to the 12th part of multiple choice questions on income tax. First one, the rate of depreciation on furniture is A 5%, B 10%, C 15% and D 20%. Option B 10%. Second one, depreciation is allowed on A. Animals, B. Tea bushes, C. Goodwill and D. Patent. Option D. Patent. Third one, the rate of depreciation on intangible assets is A. 15%, B. 20%, C. 25% and D 30%. Option C 25%. Fourth one, investment allowance shall be allowed at A 15%, B 20%, C 25% and D 30%. Option A 15%. Fifth one, unabsorbed depreciation can be carried forward and set off up to a period of A 4 years, B 8 years, C 10 years and D none of these. Option D none of these. Sixth one, rate of additional depreciation on new plant is A 10%, B 15%, C 20%, D 35%. Option C 20%. Seventh one, capital assets include A. Tangible assets, B. Intangible assets, C. Fixed assets, D. All of these. Option D. All of these. Eighth one, capital assets held by the assessee for more than 36 months are called as A. Long-term capital assets, B. Short-term capital assets, C. Medium-term capital assets, D. None of this. A. Long-term capital assets. Ninth one, CII for the previous year 2019-20 is A 235, B 289, C 264 and D 272. Option B 289. 10th one, short-term capital gain under section 111A is A fully exempted, B taxable at 15%, C taxable at 10% and D taxable at 20%. Option B taxable at 15%. Thank you for watching this video.